Hi, this is Justin with SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, right outside Nashville. Our phone number is 615-641-7720. And today, we're reviewing the Ferris FB1000 Hurricane Stand-On Blower. Coming to the front, we can see that this blower has a metal plate covering the battery. And moving along to the right side, we can see that this blower has a 18 horsepower Vanguard V-Twin engine. And moving along to the back, we can see that this blower has a foldable operator platform. As well as a pad for user comfort. And operator controls, which includes the arrow meter, ignition switch, throttle control. And moving along to the other side, we can see that this mower has a 5-gallon fuel tank. Along with the back tires of this mower being 20 by 8 by 8. And the front tires of this mower being 11 by 4 by 5. If you have any more questions, please call us at 615-641-7720. Have a great day.